Hi, may the peace, mercy, and blessing of God be with you. Welcome to my channel. Indonesia, located at Southeast Asia, has two legendary presidents, namely Sukarno and Suharto. President Sukarno was known for his leadership in expelling the invaders, while Suharto was in power for 32 years when independence of Indonesia was achieved. The two presidents mentioned are reference of the current presidents Joko Widodo. Joko Widodo or Jokowi has a leadership style similar to Suharto with Sukarno spirit. Suharto's leadership style is known as Hasta Brata. Yes, Hasta Brata or Javanese leadership style, which accommodates 8 natural elements, namely earth, sun, moon, ocean, stars, wind, fire, and water, with the following details. First, nature of the earth is to provide a place to live for humans, animals, and plants. In the present context, the nature of this earth can be translated into the nature of someone who likes to pay attention to the poor and the weak. A leader who controls the nature of the earth will direct his power to prosper the people and eradicate poverty. Second, nature of the sun is to be a source of energy that gives strength to sustain life. The sun gives power to living things on the earth. In the current context, a leader who masters the nature of the sun can inspire and encourage his people to solve all the problems they face. Third, the nature of the moon is a source of light when night falls. Thus, the moon is essentially the light of living being from darkness on earth. In the present context, a leader who masters the nature of the moon is he who is able to be a guide and enlighten his people. Therefore, this kind of leader understands and practices the noble teaching contained in religion and uphold morality. Fourth, nature of the ocean is broad and airy, a symbol of spaciousness and broadness of heart. In the present context, a leader who masters the nature of ocean will be able to accept criticism with grace, ready to be given advice even if it is by his subordinates. He will not see who is speaking but what is being said. He will provide time and always open to accommodate the complaints of his people. Fifth, star nature is describing a high positions. Leaders who master the character of stars in the present context are leaders who have a noble personality, so that they occupy a position that is honorable and respected. In short, the people love him while his opponents respect him. Sixth, nature of the wind is able to enter or infiltrate everywhere. The nature of the wind in the repertoire of Javanese philosophy is interpreted as a form of thoroughness and prudence. And in the current context, the leader who controls the nature of the wind is he who always speaks measured, not casually speaking. Every word is always accompanied by arguments and equipped with data and facts. Thus, the leader who controls the nature of the wind will always check and recheck before speaking or making decisions. 7. Nature of fire is to burn anything indiscriminately. Even metal can melt with fire. In the repertoire of Japanese philosophy, fire is interpreted positively as a symbol of firm and straightforward nature. In the present context, a leader who masters the nature of fire is one who is nimble and thorough in solving problems. Also, always be consistent and objective in enforcing the rule. Be firm, not indiscriminate, and objective and impartial. 8. The nature of water. In contrast to the ocean, which is more representative of the broad nature of the heart, water has the nature of always looking for a low place. Likewise, a leader who controls the nature of water, he will always be humble and not arrogant, let alone arbitrarily to his people. Although the concept of leadership is perfect, the Indonesian people are still struggling to overcome the problem of corruption that almost occurs at every level of office. While the abundant natural wealth has not been able to prosper all its people, the main problem is how to choose a leader. In the politics of Indonesia and other third countries, there is no money, no career. Even money can buy everything. But once you go to village in Indonesia, you will fall in love with the kindness of the common people and its natural beauty, and then you will definitely want to be its citizens. Try it. God bless you.